Hi, I'm Michaela Quinlan with Coldwell Banker, Hickok & Boardman. Welcome to 489 West Shore Road in South Hero. This beautiful Swedish cope log home is from British Columbia on the beautiful shores of Lake Champlain. Let's go take a look. From the moment you enter, the soaring 25-foot floor-to-ceiling windows draw your gaze across the sparkling waters of Lake Champlain and towards the majestic Adirondacks beyond. This home is a masterclass in design where rustic elegance meets modern luxury. The newly remodeled kitchen features striking granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, and an abundant cabinet space, ideal for everyday living and effortless entertaining. The Great Room's River Rock fireplace provides warmth, charm, and a gathering place. The main-level primary suite is a peaceful retreat, complete with cedar-lined walk-in closets and its own private balcony. Extending the living space outdoors, a 70-foot covered deck invites you to relax beneath the awning. Soak in the hot tub or gather around the stone fire pit, set perfectly to capture Vermont sunsets. Upstairs, two spacious bedrooms, each with a private balcony and a timber frame loft, creates an inviting space for family or guests. But the showstopper lies below. The finished basement is an entertainer's dream, with a custom home theater, a home gym, and a finished sauna, and a fully soundproof music recording studio. Life in the Champlain Islands offers a truly special pace, where water views greet you at every turn, community runs deep, and the natural surroundings inspire adventure and tranquility alike. Crystal Cove Ranch, once a working farm, is now a lakeside haven surrounded by fruit trees, flowering perennials, a crystal-lined shore cave that inspired the home's name. Here, every season brings something to enjoy, whether you're launching your kayak, watching storms roll in over the lake, or just savoring the quiet of nature. And with a location that's only 35 minutes to Burlington, an hour and a half to Montreal, and a quick ferry ride to Plattsburgh, New York, you're never far from where you need to be while still feeling a world away.
Thanks so much for joining us on our tour. Reach out with any questions. We would love to schedule a showing with you today.